find my way to get through this. For my family, I gotta do this. Hit my knees and pray, God who I'm choosing. I'ma find my way, swear I'ma prove it.
Gotta find my way, I'm pushing through it. Ain't no Nike, but I gotta do it. Emerging from the rest, gon' be the truest. I see the road ahead, I'ma have to use it.
Tryna find my way to get through this. For my family, I gotta do this. Hit my knees and pray, God who I'm choosing. I'ma find my way, swear I'ma prove it.
I was sitting back in silence, but now I'm getting louder. Using childish guidance, I'm just trying to make them prouder. This organic building coming from the ground up. I ain't got it down to a science, but with the Lord I got some power. I'ma shine like VVS, you a kid like PBS. Gotta take my meds, let me stop by CVS. And I thank the Lord above, cause I know he be the best. Public with my ABCs, ain't no time for CBS. To the mosquitoes that I'm spraying off, tell all the flies that I'm sending them to swat. Tell all the leeches that I pull them off. They be bugging, but I can't get lost.
Tryna find my way to get through this. For my family, I gotta do this. Hit my knees and pray, God who I'm choosing. I'ma find my way, swear I'ma prove it.
Gotta find my way, I'm pushing through it. Ain't no Nike, but I gotta do it. Emerging from the rest, gon' be the truest. I see the road ahead, I'ma have to use it.
I've been stumbling down the road, ain't know which way to go. It's God's plan, please not unfold. Run from sin, do what you're told. You gotta do what you're told, just promise me you won't fold. I beg God, please lift this low, your past is not in control. Listen, you gotta take notes, this is real life, ain't no joke. Yeah, this is real life, ain't no joke. You see green lights, let me go. It's okay to say no. Wipe your eyes, wipe your nose. Rainy days, grab your coat, and you gotta keep hope. Double up, double dose. If trouble come, adios. Follow government. You messed up, so what? God's grace gon' say today He got you, no matter what. Don't get stuck, find your way. Tryna find my way to get through this. For my family, I gotta do this. Hit my knees and pray, God who I'm choosing. I'ma find my way, swear I'ma prove it.
Gotta find my way, I'm pushing through it. Ain't no Nike, but I gotta do it. Emerging from the rest, gon' be the truest. See the road ahead, I'ma have to use it.
Striving for victory. Break the chains holding me. Can't complain, you all I need. Save my soul, rescue me. Striving for victory. Break the chains holding me. Can't complain, you all I need. Save my soul, rescue me.
Rescue me, can't you see that God's been blessing me? Make the sin in my life like a refugee. Can you see? This is what I need. How can it be that a wretch like me can have the victory? I'm more than a conqueror, hear what I'm saying. Living with honor, this stuff we gon' take it. Releasing the chains, can't nobody break us. Never gon' leave us, never forsake us. Going way up to the sky, getting our wings, yeah, we gon' fly. It's your servant, yeah, it's time. Do this till the day I die. I'm on the roster, now I'm a starter. Really a monster, you come with the lava, I come with the hour. I'm really the king like my father. The scar ain't gon' kill me, a bowl of spaghetti, he's just an imposter, yeah. And I'm moving right past you, yeah. The body of Christ is ganging up and we killing the monster. Yeah, we done won, gotta go claim it. Can I complain? My God is still reigning. Wanted you name it, gotta sustain it. No more debating, seeing the evil and flaming. No one else I can blame. Look how far we done came. We was born just to win in this game. Yeah, this winning just run through our veins.
Striving for victory. Break the chains holding me. Can't complain, you all I need. Save my soul, rescue me. Striving for